wanted to show you guys, I took the little pictures that I got from Dollar Tree, the little frames. I took them apart and they were super easy to come apart. So, I mean, I appreciated that because I remember one time it was kind of hard because it was almost like attached to the picture. But Dollar Tree knows what's up that they did it this way. So it's like, it has a little cardboard piece, it has the little image, and then the glass. So I'll show you guys, I spray painted a few things. So let me show you how it looks. Put it right here, the pink, and then the like mint color. And I'll have to show you what it ends up looking like when it's all ready and dry. I'm going to be using these little makeup sponges, and I'm going to paint these white. It's okay if they're not perfect because we are going for that farmhouse look. These are for the little Dollar Tree farmhouse signs that I found. I decided to paint a few more frames. Here they are. This is the pink one. Your vibe attracts your tribe, and I spray painted that pink because I thought it would go really well with the image. And then these I went ahead and spray painted that mint green color. This one says glitter, sparkle, shine, but most of all be kind. And this one says she has fire in her soul and grace in her heart. So you guys are gonna have to let me know if you guys like these little signs. Oh, I'm in love. I personally really like them for my room. They're so perfect.